Hello, my name is Nicolas Lopez and I'm going to present my reflection on the subject of telecommunications and convergence for the next generation networks course. What is convergence? Convergence is a very important term used in telecommunications to designate two networks, systems and services that are will from other networks, systems or services. Convergent networks or multi-service networks refer to the integration of voice, data, and video services over a single networking based on IP as a network layer protocol. This article presents the integration of voice services over IP networks, VoIP, as an example of a convergent network. There are 5 forms of convergence. These forms are not totalities, however, they cover most trends. The first is functional convergence. Functional convergence implies that technology today offers more functions and services more that they were initially designed to convergence is when, for instance, radio and television and other communication systems simultaneously provide service to the customer. It provides multi-services. It is the coming together of broadcasting, telecom and computing, with a single channel of distribution through which the individual consumer will receive a wide variety of existing functions and services accessed via single screen. Convergence actually implies moving toward one point or moving towards on another. It is the upgrading and merger of previously separated communication sectors through the advancement of computer technology and digital technology. The second is technological convergence. Technological convergence points to the way technologies are increasingly converging into one. The availability of carrier technology with high bandwidth means that transmission is not limited to voice only. Now, data, picture, and other multimedia and interactive media can be transported in one single carrier technology like the fiber optic cable and satellite technology. One other noticeable technology that perhaps is the epitome of convergence technology is the computer technology. This technology provides the most striking convergent services. The Internet combines all known communications media into one single service on a computer screen. The next is economic convergence. Economic convergence occurs when an industry becomes dominated by oligopoly, when the individuality of organizations yields to a more collective form due networking relationship. There is a blurring of industrial lines. For instance, telecom companies are converging through series mergers and acquisition deals. Telecom companies are moving into new telecom marketing in addition to their traditional markets. For example, a telephone company converging internet service provision into its operation. Geographical convergence. The convergence of telecommunications and information technology has also led to a geographical convergence. It has led to the practical realization that the world is a global enterprise where interaction and communications are no longer hindered by distance. Satellite helps facilitate communication irrespective of geographical location. Information sent from Iceland could be received instantaneously in Burundi via telecommunications link up. Political convergence. Due to the convergence of economic and communication activities, nations around the world are gradually converging into regional blocks, driven by the ambition of pragmatic economic and social concerts. The tendency towards a globalized society is a typical instance of a political convergence. National regulators are gradually converging into regional authority to manage the ICT in the region. Decisions affecting the ICT sector, mm, IT sector worldwide are being made from a single entity organization. NGN and convergence. The NGN will materialize the convergence in a technological innovations that will be reflected in service innovation and more efficiency. But the current networks will coexist with the new networks for some time. The transition from current networks to NGN is critical for operations due to the investment it requires, as well as for customers who expect continuity of current services, and for the market. For this reason, most regulators today study issues such as incentive for investment and innovation, the migration of current networks, quality of service, and customer protection. Importance of convergence. Convergence challenges traditional business model, creates a competition between the independent platforms and puts pressure on traditional operations, change consumer behavior and makes them more active in demanding services, and leads to technology management process bit dynamic. In turn, this technological and markets change put pressure on regulators to adapt to the new environment. In conclusion, thanks to technology, convergence, electronics, telecommunications, and information technology can be integrated into today's world. The NGA will materialize the convergence in technological innovations that will be reflected in service innovation and more efficiency. But the currently networks will coexist with the networks for some time. Thank you.